G'day folks, it's Farmer fucking Brown here. I'm looking a little different today if you haven't noticed. Cause I decided to shave off the whole beard cause it's Movember. It's not really Movember when you got a fucking huge beard, if you know what I mean. So I shaved it off and I'm growing myself a little good mo going along here. So that's what I'm doing for whatever Movember's for. I live on a farm, so I don't know this shit, you know what I mean? Anyway, sorry I haven't uploaded anything. I've been fucking busy with the AMP show and shit like that. Fucking demonstrating my sheep shagging skills, if you know what I fucking mean. But anyway, the reason I'm making this fucking video for you fucking little shits is because I have no idea what to fucking post for you. You know, I've done fucking music covers and people keep telling me, they're like, oh, do more music covers. As soon as I upload a fucking music cover, they're like, oh, I just cut the whole fucking music bit between fucking talking. So if you guys just want to hear me fucking talking about shit, my opinions on stuff, like fucking Ebola, 9/11, fucking Mountain Dew, conspiracy theories, fucking metal, fucking what it's like to live in New Zealand, I don't give a fuck, it's anything. I'll talk about fucking periods if you fucking want me to. Just fucking say so. Just comment on this video, or I'll make a status or some shit on the page and just fucking, just tell me what you want me to do. I'll do a fucking challenge. I'll see how quick I can eat a fucking block of chocolate and drink a whole bottle of Mountain Dew and time it and see how long it takes and see if you guys can beat my time or some shit. So fucking, you know, don't be scared to tell me to do dumb shit. I'll do almost anything. Well, look at me, man. I'm fucking wearing a fucking shirt. I've got a fucking handlebar moustache and I'm wearing a snapback. Like, come on. Come on. I'll do anything. But anyway, thanks for the support. Last time I checked, the page had like 35 likes or something, which is fucking cool. It's probably like 32, but it's fucking cool, guys. I'm confident that this will work out well. So like, as long as you guys keep supporting it, then I'll keep doing it, because that's what it's about. Give it a little, you get a little. Farmer fucking Brown. You know, I could be out in the paddock right now, but I'm making this fucking video for you guys. So, yeah, remember Movember, guys? Fucking important shit. And, make sure you comment what you want me to do. I'll do fucking music covers if you want. Just give me songs to fucking cover and I'll learn them. You know, stuff like that. And for those of you who haven't, fucking go check out my band's page. I play rhythm guitar called Xenolithic. I'll put a little link in the fucking description and shit. Mean a fucking shit ton to me and the rest of the band if you go like that as well, if you haven't already. Sweet. Farmer fucking Brown. Farmer fucking out. Thanks for watching the Farmer fucking update. I look forward to Farmer fucking hearing from you Farmer fucking followers. You guys are Farms of the Brown. Fuck yeah. Farms of the Brown.